There's a simple way to do this cutting, so we can stop wherever you want to cut and then hit Ctrl K. It will do the same as using this razor tool. Let's say we want to cut it here. Instead of hitting Ctrl K and then choosing this and then Shift Delete, this time we can use another method. Okay, let's hit Ctrl G and then I'll stop wherever I want to cut, and let's see what will happen. We have two keys, Q and W. Q, let's say I'm here and I want to cut all of it till the start of the cut right here. So this is my video. This is another video. Okay, this is another one because I cut it here. So this is our video. Let's say I want to cut from here till the start of the video. Okay, we simply hit Q. I'll cut from wherever I start till the beginning of the video. Alright, let's go back. Let's say I want to cut from here till the end of the video. From here, this is our video. So I want to cut from wherever I stopped here till the end of the video. I'll hit W. So Q for the left, W for the right. That's it.